Okay, so this is a countertop. This is the countertop we went with. So pretty light color. This is pretty much our go-to for this house. We replaced it with the same type upstairs as well. So we're just gonna do this one. And then these are the other stuff. So this is the sink we got. It's actually a Glacier Bay, so it's pretty cheap compared to the other ones. 33 inches. It's a single bowl, as you can see. We don't want to do the double thing anymore. It doesn't make sense to do that anymore. People don't really wash things how they used to. So, and these are pretty okay. It's not bad at all. So there are 4 holes in there, you know. So this one is the tap. So the tap is also Glacier Bay. This is kind of what it looks like upside down, but it's just a sneak peek here. That's what it looks like. It has a sprayer and everything, and it also comes with a dish soap dispenser. So you know the 4th hole is going to get filled by that. So you know it's a pretty good set, not bad. This here is the drain line, the strainer, sink strainer. So we would have to connect this. I'll show you guys when I do that to the thing here, sink here. And then this is a set of trap, basically. I mean what do you call that? The drain lines. So this is with the P-trap. This is the P-trap here. This will come out of the wall. We might have to use the old one because this one is very small. So that's why I said, keep your old stuff in case you need any part out of it. Or we could grab a new one. It's not a big deal. But yeah, this one comes out of the wall. And then this one would be the P-trap. And if you guys have the drain going into the floor, there's another set for that. So, look out for that. But this one is, when you have it to the wall. And then this one is gonna connect to this piece here on the, drain in the middle here. So this would go on the underside, connect to this, and then our P-trap would connect to this. So I'll go over all of that when I install this. And then I also got this clear silicone here, and also grab a white silicone because depending on what color you want, you might need it for the top of that, basically, to seal this in. But you could also use a clear one. I mean, you could use something else, but usually I use this to seal everything up. So you need a tube set aside for that, and then whatever you want to seal the countertop with, get that color.